Hi, Douglas101 here. So today I'm going to be opening up and reviewing Monster Fest Clawdeen. So I do still need to get the other dolls from this line, but Clawdeen's my favorite character, so I had to get her first. So as you can see, the packaging is just kind of basic. Oh, sorry about the glare. And then it's got all the info on the back, but who really cares about the info, right? Anyway, without further ado, let's open this ghoul up. Let's see, do I need the scissors for this part? And as usual, I am fighting with the packaging. Also, I'm sorry if you see a random pile of stuff in the background. I'm going through my stuff. There we go. Okay. There. Less of a glare. Yeah, this line has so much detail. I love it. Okay, let's not wreck the poster. So, here is the His Fits poster. Very, very cute. Doll-sized, of course. I don't know why they have to put so many of the kajinkers in the doll's hair. Anyone else just fight to open dolls? Or is that just me? Okay. Almost got her out of the box. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Here is her purse. It's painted on the front, but not the back. And if you hear a noise, that would be the dog chewing on something it probably shouldn't be. It's not in my room, so it's fine. Anyway, it's got this cute, like, crescent moon and wolf design on it. Love it. It'd be cute if they would add, like, black there on the paw print. It's just, like, one solid plastic piece. You can probably stuff something in it. I love how she, like, has gold. Like, Sames girls, or ghoul. Sames. Yeah, I like gold jewelry. Although pink is my favorite color. Gorgeous. She comes with this cute little cup, and again with the wolf howling, and the phases of the moon I think is on it. Or maybe they're just circles and stars. It looks very cheap though because the sticker's coming off, but whatever. I don't really use accessories anyway. She comes with the printed food. I think it's supposed to be like nachos or something. It's a two-piece thing. So keep that in mind. It's got a little tray separate. I think it's printed on, and then it's got like, it's kind of hard to see, but like spider webs on it. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. And she's got this cute little bracelet or choker. I'm gonna say bracelet. Come on. Gorgeous. And she has some more accessories. Also, if you guys want a professional review, this is not the channel for that. I am not professional. She's got these sunglasses with little crescent moons. Adorable. I'm not going to put those on though, because you want to see the doll's face. And she's got the Monster Fest ticket, so she can get in. And she's got a little Instax camera inspired one, or Polaroid. Very cute. Do younger kids even know what Polaroid cameras are? Probably not, but whatever. I think it's a cute touch. So here is Clawdeen. She looks like she's gonna go to Coachella. Sorry if I butchered the name, but I think that's what it's called. It's one of those like music event things. Look how cute. She's got a headband and it's got like flowers and little crystals on it. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. She's got crescent moon earrings. One has the crescent moon and then the other looks like it has maybe like a star. Sorry, you hear the dog drinking. And she's got this beautiful plum hair. And it looks like she's got like a flower crown. Also, I did miss a couple kajinkers in her hair, so I'm gonna get those. Yeah, these dolls have lots of details, so I'm gonna have to get the other ones for this set. There we go. I don't know why they put them so close, because I'm always so nervous of cutting the doll's hair. I wouldn't want to do that. And she's got more flowers here on the side. So it kind of looks like a crown, and then she's got like a, almost like a flower crown design going in front. But it's like attached to her earrings, I think. So that's one piece. Look how beautiful the side screening is. Like, as much as I'm a stan for my G1 Clawdeen, this is gorgeous as well. Like, honestly, it's kind of hard to pick which one's your favorite with some of the dolls. Like, some of the, like, G1 adjacent ones are really good, too. Like, Haunt Couture Clawdeen and Draculaura and Frankie. Gorgeous. She's got, like, little stars or freckles. Yeah, stars and freckles. And gold. Beautiful. She's got a, would that be like a fuchsia? Is fuchsia the one that's more purple? I think fuchsia eyeshadow of purple and gold. Gorgeous. And her lips are just like a rose red. I don't know if that's showing as well on the camera. She's got this beautiful cropped jacket. It's got some pleather on it, which hopefully in the long run doesn't peel, because those have tendency to peel. She's got like mesh sleeves with like the constellations of the stars. Very cute, very zodiac-esque. Random word I just said. Anyway, she's got fluffy cuffs. Beautiful. Clawdeen is my favorite. And it's like a light lilac purple mixed with a fuchsia. Love it. I always love how Clawdeen has all the fun colors. That's why she's my favorite. And then Dracula is my second favorite. And then she's got this cute purple crop top. It's like, what purple would I call that? It's a pretty purple anyway. If you guys know what the name of that shade is, let me know. And she's got this beautiful high waist skirt. And how they have it, like it looks almost as if she like clawed at it, like werewolf. And she's got like all the different moon, the sun, constellations, stars. It's adorable, this skirt. That looks like something I would wear. I wear wacky stuff. Adorable. And she's got this cute gold belt. Would have been nice to have some details painted in it, but still cute. Here is like the moon phases. And then she's got like these fluffy cuffs. I think almost to look like partial leg warmers, you know? They're fluffy. And she's got these beautiful wedged boots that look like they have teeth on the back, or claws. Very cute. I know a lot of people are getting sick of the object heels, but here it works. And it's gold and purple. It would have been nice if they would have painted some of the details, which some YouTubers actually have been painting the accessories, like for example X Canadensis. I just butchered the name, sorry. But yeah, she does some really good content. If you want to go check out X Canadiensis' channel. If I could speak today. Also, her hair is a beautiful saran hair. And it's boxer right now, but it goes to just above her calves. And I forgot to mention her necklace that also has a lot of detail, like tassels and whatnot. But yeah, anyway, that is it for my video today. Please like with a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you want to see more of my weirdness. And sorry, X Canadiensis, for butchering your name on the channel. I'll at her probably in the description if you want to check her channel videos out. If I could speak today. Bye.